Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Sulfar star decoration lamp. This is basically, as you can see from this transparent window over here, a USB powered laser lamp. It's a very small laser lamp, and on the other hand we have some specifications mentioned. For instance, it comes with highlight projection, mini compact, USB socket, accommodation density, atmosphere, an automobile atmosphere. This is primarily to be used inside a vehicle, an automobile, but since it's a USB powered device, we can use it elsewhere as well. Let me just show you what it's like. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is the laser lamp on one end. This dial is what you use to control the focal point of this laser lamp, and this is the USB-A plug to power it. At the center you have this flexible cable. This will remind you of the tripod, the legs of a gorilla pod. This is actually, designed to bend and stay in shape. Let me quickly see if this actually works. I will connect it to a USB-A port on my laptop. And there you go. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. There you go. It seems to be working right now. I don't know if you can see, but it is definitely putting a pattern on my hand. It's not really visible under this light. Let me just switch off a light and see if I can show this to you. There you can see this is what it looks like. And this is it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Sulfar star decoration lamp. Thank you for watching.